Hello guys, so now this is the time for our class project, and this is the class project 1 where we'll be recording macros in MS Word. Okay, I'll be showing you guys the steps, what all you need to follow over here. Then we'll be uploading it in the project panel. Okay, I'll be showing you guys first the steps, what all you need to follow. Then I will show you guys how to do that in the MS Word. So let's see what are the steps that you all will need to follow over here. So here, as you guys can see on top, I do have the name of the class project, which is recording macros in MS Word. Okay, so here I do have a description and also outcome, which you guys can check. Okay, so check out the description and the outcome over here. So for me, I will directly go on to the steps. So the step number one is open up a new document. Step two is go to the view option and select the macros. And after that, you will be going on to the step number three. Click on the record macros option. And after that, put on the data accordingly and select the shortcut key for your macros, which is the step number four. Step number five is apply the recorded macro in your document file. Okay. And once you're done, here comes the last step, which is step number six. Save the file in your system and upload it in our project panel. Okay, so let's see how you will be able to do that. So here, as you guys can see, now I'm here in the home page. So the first thing will be I'll be creating up a new blank document. And from here, what I'm going to do is I am going to uh, fill it with some text. Okay, so what I'll do is let me just type one, and let's come down here. Let's type two. Okay, so let's type two over here. Let's come down right over here and let's type three, and let's come down. Let's type four, and I'll come down here and I will just write 5. Okay, so I have just put up some documents like some of the information over here. Suppose these are few of the word file. So now what I can do is I will come first here into this references or the view option. Okay, so after going to the view option, what I'm going to do is I am going to select my macros. Okay, and the shortcut key for macros is alt plus F8. Okay, from our keyboard. So I will click here, and what I'll do is I will click on record macro. Okay, so wherever do I want to put, I will just keep my cursor over there. And after that, suppose I want to record a macro. So I'll just click on record macro over here. And now I will just click on the keyboard option. And from here, basically, I will save the shortcut key. So I'll just take the shortcut key as Control Shift plus A. Okay. And now I will just assign the key over here, and what I'm going to do is I am going to click on close. And now suppose if I do want to give up a space. Okay, so suppose I want to give up a space right over here, or I have to put up a bracket. So what I'll do is first I will put up a bracket, give a space. Okay, and then from my keyboard what I'll do is I will click on the end key. Okay, I will come here, go backspace. Then now if I click on the end button, suppose with shift N, I will give another space, and now I will just close down the bracket over here. And once I'm done, I will come onto this option, and now I will just stop recording. So here you guys can see now I have stopped recording over here. If I want to view my macro, here you guys can see I am able to view this macro. If I do want to change the name, I will also be able to change the name right from here as well. Okay, so now if I come to this particular option right over here, okay, so now if I just click on Control Shift and A, here you guys can see it's just coming inside a box. Suppose if I do have like this 100 lines. Okay, so I can record all these things right over here. Again, Control Shift A. Okay, so basically you guys can send me this particular file. Okay, once you are done or once you start making a macro, you can also send me your macro file from here as well. Okay, if you want to create a new macro, you guys can come here and create a new macro from here. Okay, if you want to edit, you guys can come here. If you want to delete this one, you guys can come here and also delete here as well. Okay, so it is all five of this particular word which I do have here. My macro will be applied easily right over here. Okay, so I hope you guys have understood this class. So I'll be waiting for you guys to send me your work into our project panel. Then I can check those out and tell you guys another different ways of how you can use macros to record your command. So see you all. Till then, take care and goodbye everyone.